In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install TradingView on your PC or laptop. Whether you're using Windows, macOS, or even Linux, this guide will take you through the installation process so you can start leveraging TradingView's charting and trading features in no time. To begin, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. Whether that's Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or another, make sure you're on a computer running either Windows or macOS. Once your browser is open and ready, head over to the address bar and type in tradingview.com/desktop. Hit that enter key and this will take you straight to the TradingView desktop page. Now on this page, you'll notice the option to download TradingView. You'll see the download button tailored to your specific operating system. That's either Windows, macOS, or Linux. Go ahead and click that button to start downloading the application. With the download underway, the next step is finding the setup file that you just downloaded. On Windows, this file might be named something like tradingview.ms6, and you can typically find it in your Downloads folder, unless you've set your browser to download files elsewhere. Once you've located the setup file, simply double-click to open it. This will launch the installer. At this point, you just need to follow the on-screen prompts provided by the installer. These are typically straightforward, so just keep following along, clicking Next where required, and agreeing to any terms or conditions when prompted so that you can smoothly get through the installation process. After installation is complete, the next thing to do is launch the application. To find where it's installed, head over to your computer's Start menu on Windows or the Applications folder on macOS or Linux. Either place is where the TradingView application icon will appear, ready for you to click. Once you click that icon and launch TradingView for the first time, you'll be able to access and explore all of its robust charting and trading features. Take some time to get acquainted with the interface and make sure to customize it according to your trading needs. And there you have it. You're all set to start using TradingView on your desktop. So start exploring the myriad tools and resources it offers for all your trading activities. Remember, having this application on your desktop enhances your trading experience, offering a more comprehensive and dynamic view of market activities compared to using a browser. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now ready to dive deeper into the world of trading with TradingView. Happy trading!